Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am back with another video and I have a guest this time. So this is my mom, Adele. Mommy, say hi.
Hi, I'm Adele.
So this video is another video on money management, and I brought my mom on because she is a licensed life insurance agent. So I'm just going to be asking her a couple questions, and she's going to be telling us a little bit about life insurance and why it's important. Okay, first up, Mommy. So why should people get life insurance?
Life insurance is very important. A lot of people do not think about it in their lifetime, but when a loved one dies, that's the first question a family member will ask. Is your life insurance policy in place? Life insurance is an immediate estate. It creates like wealth, or it creates a legacy. Say you have a large insurance policy and the person died, the beneficiary, at least they have the money to put their loved one to rest decently and still have something to wrap up on later on. So it's very important to have life insurance.
I agree. And also, like, what does the term like whole life mean? I don't know if any of my viewers know, I've ever heard that when hearing about buying life insurance, but sometimes you'll hear that buying whole life is better. Is that true, or do you think that's the case?
Well, everybody's opinion is different, but whole life, a lot of people prefer to hear about whole life because it does accumulate a cash value over time. After 3 years, it develops cash. However, if your loved one dies, the beneficiary does not get the cash that's been developed over the years. The only way you can get it is to borrow it. Why should you borrow your own money and pay it back with high interest? If you don't borrow from that, or even if you borrow from that and you do not pay it back, your face amount depreciates over time because they take it from your face amount. And if that policy accumulates $200,000, $300,000 and the person passed away, the beneficiary only gets a face amount. The company keeps that cash value. So would you put your money in a savings and you can't get it? I would not. So a lot of people have their own opinion about whole life, but for me, whole life is a no-no.
Okay, so if you don't buy whole life insurance, is there a different alternative to whole life?
Sure, you have term life. And a lot of people will say term, but it's renewable. So you might get a term for 30 years, 35 years, depending on the state that you're living in. But when you reach that, if you live that to see that 30 years, it's renewable. However, you can either keep the same face coverage for a little bit more because you'll be older, or if you want to still pay that same premium, you would have to reduce your coverage. But it is renewable up to 95.
Okay, and you're using the word face value, face coverage. What exactly does that mean?
That's the amount that you are insured for. Okay. So if you die, the beneficiary gets, say it's $150,000 you're insured for. That's called the face amount.
Okay, and you are obviously a life insurance agent. So who do you work for? What do you do? Like, tell us a little bit about that.
I work for myself technically, but I'm a part of Primerica. So we are in business for ourselves, just not by ourselves, because we do have a home office. We do have upline, RVP, where we can tap into and ask questions. We have POL, that's Primerica Online, where we can go to get every valuable information. So you're not really working for Primerica because you're an independent agent per se, but you work within a company.
Okay, and Primerica, what is Primerica? Let's hear a little bit more about Primerica.
Sure. Primerica has been around since 1977, and Primerica is the largest financial institution in all of North America. Primerica has been awarded in the top 10 in AM Best. In Forbes magazine, they say it's the best place for women to work. There's so many good things. We are listed on the stock exchange as PRI, and we are trading so tremendously.
Okay. All right. And if any of you guys are looking for life insurance coverage or want to learn a little bit more about like what my mom does with this business or about Primerica, if you want to join and be like my mom, be an independent like agent where you're able to sell life insurance, you guys can message me or leave a comment and I will get back to you guys. But that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you next time. Bye guys!